If your Redmi 9A looks dead as a doornail, you're in the right place. Let's bring it back to life. First, start with the basics. Try restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix software glitches. Next, check your charging cable and adapter. Make sure they're plugged in properly. Swap them out with a different cable and adapter, ideally the original ones. Now, inspect your charging port. Dust or lint can block the connection. Use a soft, non-metallic tool like a toothpick to clear it out gently. Or just blow into the port lightly. Still not charging? Check for software updates and settings. About phone system update. Updates can fix bugs. If that fails, try safe mode. Long press the power button. Then long press power off and select reboot to safe mode. Finally, if nothing works, it might be a hardware issue. Time to visit a professional repair shop. They can diagnose and fix the problem. So there you have it. Troubleshooting your Redmi 9A like a pro.